Hello kids, we are now counting. Let's go. One, O-N-E, one. One, orange, one, orange. Two, T-W-O, two. Two, apple, two apple. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three avocado. Four, F-O-U-R, four grapes. Five, F-I-V-E, five mango. Six, S-I-X, six grapes. Six grapes. Seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven apple. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight avocado. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine mango. 10, T-E-N, ten grapes. 11, E-L-E-V-E-N, eleven grapes. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E, twelve mango. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, thirteen avocado. 14, F-O-U-R, T-E-N, fourteen mango. 15, F-I-F-T-E-N, fifteen grapes.